My people, today I celebrate 53 years of life, 53 years of growth, resilience, and countless blessings. As I reflect on my journey, I give thanks for every moment that has shaped me. Life hasn't always been smooth, and I've faced trials that tested my strength. But through it all, I've remained focused on myself, my purpose, and my peace. I'm grateful for the lessons learned, the wisdom gained, and the strength to keep pushing forward no matter what. This birthday isn't just a celebration of another year, but a reminder of how far I've come. Here's to embracing the present, letting go of the past, and continuing to prioritize myself on this beautiful journey. I'm grateful for every challenge, every victory, and most of all, I'm grateful for me, Adrian Smith, aka Mama Selva. Cheers to 53 years and still counting. Blessings and love all the way from Cancun, Mexico. And as always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, any which part of the world on the day. Happy birthday! One more year, pandem, Adrian!